Geisha are one of the most fascinating and mysterious symbols of Japan. The word geisha, or geiko in Kyoto dialect, means artist or person of the arts. Becoming a geisha is a long and arduous journey. As apprentice geisha, they are known as maiko, or woman of dance. Maiko have a geisha mentor whom they accompany to events and learn the subtleties of the art form. The beauty habits of geisha are as intricate as the craft they spend so many years honing. Perhaps the most striking aspect of their appearance is their vivid white makeup. In the days before electricity, geisha used white makeup, or oshiroi, to enhance their beauty by candlelight. Oshiroi covers the entire face, except for the nape of the neck, which is considered the most seductive part in Japanese culture. Black eyeliner and red pigment around the eyes contrast with the striking white foundation. Their hairstyles require the help of professionals. Maiko sculpt their own hair into elaborate hairstyles once a week and sleep on raised neck pillows to keep the hair intact. Maiko also wears sophisticated hair ornaments, for example, long flower-like hairpins during the first year, whereas geisha wear wigs with subdued accessories. Both geisha and maiko paint their lips smaller in bright red, but maiko only paint the lower lip. Geisha always wear kimonos for events. Their kimonos usually have simple patterns in neutral tones. In contrast, maiko wear brightly colored kimonos with red collars. Popular geisha and maiko spend their evenings walking from one tea house to the other, playing their instruments and entertaining guests with their songs and dances. Among the most enchanting is the traditional Japanese art of fan dancing. Through slow and gentle motions, the geisha dance away a story in which the fan carries different emotions. In each performance, the geisha's elegant movements and poses, accompanied by shamisen music and delicate fan strokes, come together to create a piece of art.